Hello everyone, this is Kenny here at KP Theft Design, and today we're going to continue from the last video we made on the service page, the single page layout. Okay, so there were two issues here. The first one is that we did not close this over here, and the way you do that is you put class equals true. And also we're missing a closing tag over here, and that's the content bank closing tag. So let's add this here. Let's update this. Yeah, so basically this image was in the wrong place. It was down here. It was supposed to be between um, the bar graph and the photos over here, the icons. So now we're on track. Let's go ahead and add two more columns. So we're just gonna copy and paste this just so you could get a feel of how it all works. Okay, we're gonna grab this column here, put it within the content band. We don't want to add it outside, if not then we're gonna lose that gray color. Okay, so that's the second one. Here's the third one. Let's see. Okay, so now we have three images with three columns, and we have our social icons, the buttons. So yeah, this is pretty much our service page. And now what I'm gonna add here is the contact page. I just want you to see what happens when you take off the clear short code. So this right now has the clear short code. So that what manages to separate the images from, or it gives it this gap right here. And then also, now just watch what happens if I take off the clear short code and we update this. It's notice how the team headline is gone, the team headline, and notice how this is like stuck together. We can try other ways to fix that, but I think the best way is just to use clear. So you see this is here, but it's not showing up. We can try and use gap and see if that works. But that also doesn't work. So again, clear is your best option when it comes to this. So you see the team headline is also not appearing, and so let's just add clear, and that should fix it. So just remember, add clear. I don't think either if we Yeah, this also has last true, so this is pertains to a different issue. So it's always good to close your columns, especially you know, the last half or the last 1/4 or 1/3. So yeah, clear is your best option. So keep that in mind. So right under the headings of this heading right here, free quotes, we're gonna add our custom contact form. So in order for you to create this contact form, you need to download contact form 7, and let's just update it. So you go to plugins and add new, and you just take this and type this in search input box and press enter, and it should come up, and just press install now. This is it right here. I already installed it, so you guys do the same. Then you're gonna get this link right here, this menu item, which takes you directly to the contact form, and you copy this portion right here. This is a contact already made for you. In this case, I haven't made any changes to it. Let me check. But you can make changes to it as to who to respond to, and in this case, I put my email over here. And you have all these different options here. You put a subject line. Every time you send an email, it's gonna have the subject line right here. So I'm not gonna worry about this right now. Let's go back to the home page. So the first thing I did was create a content band, and make sure you close it. And the background's gonna be white. Not to worry about the background right now. We want an inner container, and this is gonna be the columns here. So the first column is gonna have the contact form. You just copy that short code from the contact form, and you should be good. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so here's our contact form. So now let's add just some information here. Anything will do. I'm just gonna use dummy text, lorem ipsum. We're gonna add 2 paragraphs. Let's do that. Okay, there we go. So for now, this is our service page. As you can see, we've been building this one page layout since the beginning, and that's our main purpose here for now. But later on, what we're going to do is we're going to build a separate menu for each post. So for now, if you click on services, it brings you down to services. You click on about, brings you up to about. We don't have a portfolio yet. Maybe later I'll add information or content for this portfolio. But the next video is going to be based on adding another menu based on, let's say, a specific page. So if we go to this page over here, let's say the example page, and let's preview it. So instead of it having to be placed in a single page layout, it's gonna link to that specific page. So we're gonna put a link here, let's say sample page right here. You click on it and it takes you to the sample page. But the thing is that it has to have a separate menu, because right now this menu sticks to every page you create. Every page you create is going to have the about, services, and portfolio, and every time you click on this, it's going to do exactly that reaction. But if you're in a different page and you click on about, it's not going to take you to about because you're not in the single page layout anymore. So we're going to go ahead and go through that on our next video. So thank you for watching. Enjoy. If you have any comments, please leave it below. Thank you.